Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a demo / review on this hair that I'm wearing today. I know I've been wanting to do more hair videos, but I'm just been trying to figure out my hair routine. My brother's like, why don't you do a hair routine video? I'm like, I don't have my routine down just yet. So a company called Insert Name Here reached out to me about a couple weeks ago and asked if I really wanted to do a review on their hair. And I had been looking for a new hair company to try out because I tried another one out and I had a really bad experience. But INH reached out to me and I was like, you know what? Let me try it out because I'm looking for a new hair company that is very trustworthy and I just really want to see if that's it. I just want to give a disclaimer. This video is not sponsored whatsoever, but I do have a coupon code that I will have in the link down below in case you like this hair as well and you want to try it out for yourself. But if you would like to see how I install this hair and my thoughts and everything on this hair, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I'm going to part this into sections to detangle. And yes, I do things oddly that you may not agree with, but I don't have anybody around me that has the same type of hair that I do. No friends, no family has the same type of hair. So I kind of just do what I do with my hair as I go. But I'm parting it into sections and I'm just detangling it with my Denman brush. I also sprayed some water before I detangle it because if you do any detangling with dry hair, it breaks off your hair for one, and two, it really hurts. It really does snag your hair, so it's just not good for your hair. So definitely doing things while your hair is damp is key when you have curly hair. Another thing is the Denman brush is amazing for curly hair. Like once I got this brush, it's a little bit expensive. It's like $14, I want to say. I could be wrong, but it makes a huge difference when you're doing your hair, and it really does, brush individual curls in your hair. It's amazing. I just love it. I'm going to do the other side. Then once I'm done detangling, I'm going to be taking my Eco Style gel. This is the absolute best gel so far that I found for curly hair, and I'm just applying that all along the edges of the front of my hair, the sides of my hair, the backs of my hair, the back of my hair. Oh my god. And I'm taking my Denman brush to smooth out the waves because yes, as a curly haired girl, I have a lot of waves even when I try my best to really slick my hair down. I'm applying more gel to the areas that I feel like need gel. And then I'm going again with my Denman brush, and this time starting to pull it into a ponytail. Next, I'm taking this two-sided boar bristle brush, and one side has a more dense, tighter, stiffer bristles, and the other side has a smoother one. So I'm taking the stiffer side for my hair right now, pulling it into a ponytail. Then once I'm done with that, I take the softer side and I smooth over my hair. I'm pulling my hair into a bun so that it doesn't show under the ponytail. And yes, my bun is crooked. I literally did the bun at least 5 times and I gave up because it kept coming out in the same area. I just need to practice trying to get my hair centered. So don't judge me. Then I'm also smoothing out my hair with both sides of the boar bristle brush. I'm taking the Kayla hairpiece from INH Hair. This is a ponytail extension piece that has a Velcro top with a separate piece of hair on the side to wrap around your ponytail so that it seems invisible and it seems like your hair. It also has this clip that I'm about to show you right now. It has a little clip. It's not really a clip, it's like a comb that you put into your hair, and I'm just applying this at the base of my bun. Once it's secure, I'm wrapping around the extra piece around the bun. I did this wrong. I wasn't fully looking at the Velcro, so I didn't fully cover it, but I went back in later on and covered the Velcro better, so you'll see that later. If that's bothering you right now, don't worry, it gets fixed later. once it's fully wrapped around, I'm taking some bobby pins and pinning the extra piece down so it doesn't come off while I'm wearing it during the day. Next, I'm taking my Eco Style gel and laying my edges. I'm not the best at this, mainly because it irritates the hell out of my skin. No matter how I do it, like as you can tell right now, I get really red. So I don't like laying my edges down, and I'm just not that great at it because I haven't practiced it that well, but it does make a huge difference. So I like the way it looks. It's just my skin doesn't agree. As you can see though, when you lay your edges, it makes a huge difference. So I'm doing it anyway. And I'm just doing the other side. And that is pretty much it. I am just fluffing up my hair, making sure it looks good, adding some hairspray to tame any of the flyaways that I may have. And that is it for this hair demo. So this is the final look. I really like it. My boyfriend says I look more Latina with my hair like this. I just love the way this looks. This looks really good. I was really nervous about trying to get this to mesh with my hair because I've never done something like this. I haven't had extensions to where I could do this. I usually have clip-ins, and if I try to do this, it looks really weird. It doesn't work right. So honestly, this hair was so easy to install. I was worried about that, but honestly, the part that was difficult was getting my own hair to be as slick as possible because I haven't practiced slicking my own hair back in a really long time. But when they emailed me, I was like, dude, I want to do this look because I've seen so many people do it. It looks so pretty. I love the way it looks. Honestly, the baby hairs, it makes a huge difference. I'm not the best at doing baby hairs, but it makes a huge difference. It actually makes it look like it's your hair, because if you just pull it straight back, it looks kind of weird to me. The length is amazing. I'm really impressed as to how it just blends, you know. If I pull my hair slick back, I can totally do this every day. I really like that this is an option now for me for work, because there'll be times where I'm like, I don't want a bun with my hair. So the fact that I can throw these in and like real quick and just like call it a day and be ready for work. I love this because it's gonna be so good. I love this. I'm excited to wear this to work. Everybody's gonna be like, oh my God. So I wanted to show this because I wanted to give kudos to them that they sent it. I'm not gonna show the other side because it has my address on it, but they sent it in an envelope that is recyclable. So you can recycle this, which I really love because I know a lot of brands tend to waste and a lot of people really aren't too happy about that. But inside there came, the hair came in this pouch. It has the tips and tricks on here. The thing that it came with was this silk pouch, which I really appreciate because a lot of my wigs and hair extensions, they usually don't come with anything except for one of these, which they still get tangled in. So I'll typically put them back in here, but they still get tangled and really, I don't know, just like they lose the you know, like the beautifulness to it when I put them back in those kinds of bags. So I'm really glad that it came with one of these because it's gonna keep the hair texture, it's gonna preserve the hair texture a lot longer than it usually would. And this is it for the day. I'm gonna go out. I'm really excited to see how my family reacts because I've never worn my hair like this and I've always wanted to. I've always wanted to be that girl that has the slick back hair and, you know, the nice beautiful wavy ponytail, and I just look like an island fresh Barbie. INH was also kind enough to give me a discount code for you all. So if you would like to go purchase this, you will get a 10% off discount if you use the code. It's Kayla, that's ITSSKAYYLAA in all caps, and you'll get 10% off your purchase if you use that coupon code. I do not get any sort of commission from that coupon code. If you use it, that is just a coupon code for you guys to go use to get 10% off your purchase. So if you would like to purchase this specific hair or any other hair that they have on their website, I really would recommend it. I really would recommend it. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give this video a like and also hit that subscribe button to join the K-Babe family. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.